In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Base44. So first thing you need to do is open apps and choose app which you want to connect to your GoDaddy domain. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And once you have your project opened, click on dashboard. And from here, choose domains. Now, as you can see, this is your built-in domain from Base44. So now to add your custom domain, click on connect your domain and then add domain. And here you need to paste your GoDaddy domain. So I'm gonna copy my GoDaddy domain and paste it here, add the domain. As you can see, domain added successfully. But now what we need to do is, after adding a domain, connect it through your DNS provider. So we need to add those records in our GoDaddy DNS records. So here, open this DNS. And from here, click on add a new record. Now we need to go to Base44, and the first step is CNAME record, www, and this is address. So I'm gonna copy this address, and then the type was CNAME, name was www, and value is this address. Then click on save. Record name www conflicts with another record, so we need to delete this one. We need to delete this record, and to delete it, you need to click on this cancel. Yes, cancel, and then you are able to delete it. And now I need to type this record again, so I'm gonna click on add a new record, then choose type as a CNAME, name www, and paste the address and click save. Your DNS record has been updated successfully. So the first one is done. Now we need to add a second, and second is a name or alias. So if you look on these types, you can't find it here. So if your DNS provider doesn't support a name or alias, use a record. So we are going to use a record. So the type is a, and this is name, and this is your address. So I'm gonna copy the address, then choose a record, name, use this symbol, and the value, copy the address, and click save. Now your DNS record has been successfully added. Now, when this is done, we can go back to Base44 and click on this check status button. This could take like from a couple of minutes or even 48 hours to get checked. So as you can see, it's pending. Once it's going to be verified, you will see the green check mark, and that's how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Base44. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.